Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Nimsha Davis. Are you planning to become a data analyst in 2025? If yes, then you need more than just certificate. The main key is project. Projects show the recruiters that you can take messy data and clean it and analyze it, and also deliver the insights that actually matters in the real world. So, in this video, I'm going to share 7 practical real life data analyst projects that you can start right now. These projects are beginner friendly yet powerful enough to include in your portfolio or your resume. So, let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. Before we start, let's understand why projects are important. Many students tell me, I know Python, I know SQL, but I don't get interviews. The reason is recruiters don't just want theory, they want to see if you can apply your knowledge. When you show a real project in your resume or even on your GitHub or LinkedIn, it becomes the proof of your skills. That's why the following 7 projects will help you to stand out. So, our first project is sales data analysis. Every company runs on sales. Imagine you have a data of an online store, products, region, sales amount, and dates. And your task is to find answers like which product sells the most, which region generates maximum revenue, is there a seasonal trend? There are lots of questions like that. So you can do this in Excel using pivot table or in Python using pandas. Once you create charts like sales by month or a top 5 product, you have a project that directly connect to real business needs. Our second project is customer churn prediction. Have you ever wondered how Netflix or telecom companies know which customer might leave their service? That's customer churn prediction. You can take a data set of customer details, usage, and complaints, then build a machine learning model in Python using scikit-learn. The model predicts whether a customer will stay or leave. And this project shows that you are not only analyze past data but also use it to make future predictions, something the recruiters love most. And our third project is HR Analytics Dashboard. The HR team relies today heavily on data. An HR analytics project could include employee satisfaction, performance, attrition, and salary distribution. You can use Power BI or Tableau to build a dashboard. For example, create a chart showing attrition rate by department or show how salary varies by experience level. Such a dashboard helps the HR managers to decide how to improve retention and maintain work balance. It's also a great project to show your visualization skill. And project 4 is e-commerce data insights. E-commerce is everywhere. Amazon, Flipkart, and small online stores all depends on analytics. Here, you can use SQL to query an e-commerce dataset. Find answers like which customers buy repeatedly, or which product have the highest rating, or what's the average order value. You can also combine SQL with Python to make deeper analysis. This project is powerful because it's connected directly to the booming industry. And our fifth project is financial data visualization. Finance data is another area where analytics is crucial. So, in this project, you can take stock market or company expense data and create dashboard. For example, you can track monthly revenue, expenses, and profit trends, or show the stock price movement over the time. You can use Power BI and Tableau. It works great here. And this project show that you can work with the financial insights, which is a very attractive skill for many companies. And our next project is healthcare data trends. In healthcare, data literally saves lives. Imagine you have a data set of patients' admissions, treatment, and recovery time. And your task could be to find which diseases are rising, which treatment are most effective, or what's the seasonal pattern of hospital visits are. And you can use Python or Power BI here. This project shows the recruiters that you can work on sensitive and meaningful data with accuracy. And our next project is, and final one, social media sentiment analysis. So, finally, let's talk about social media. Every brand wants to know what people think about them, right? So, you can collect tweets or YouTube comments and then use Python libraries like NLTK or TextBlob to analyze the sentiment. For example, classify them as positive, negative, or neutral. And this project shows your skills in text mining and natural language processing (NLP). And if you want to impress the interviewers, deploy this project on Streamlit so they can interact with it lively. Now, the most important part, how do you showcase this project? You can upload your code on GitHub, write a blog post on LinkedIn or on Medium, and you can add your. One second. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. You can add the screenshot of dashboard in your resume or even LinkedIn. And during interviews, explain the business problem, your approach, and also the result. Okay. And if you're a beginner, don't try all project at once. Start simple with the Excel and SQL project. Once you're confident, move to Python. Then add visualization with the Power BI and Tableau. Step by step, you will grow into a professional. Okay? So, those were 7 real life projects you can try in 2025. And these projects are practical, resume worthy, and help you stand out as a data analyst. And which project are you most excited to start? Comment below and I'll share some free dataset link with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Python, SQL, machine learning, Power BI, and data science, data analytics, and all. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Before going, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. See ya.